This video is brought to you by Artlist.
What is going on, guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video. Now in this tutorial I have something really exciting for you guys. So you guys know that I'm always looking behind the scenes for sources for visual effects, when it comes to all kinds of effects you can use for your videos, sound effects, and even also music. And that's exactly what we're going to look at today. So I partnered up with Artlist, which is actually a provider for really nice music that you guys can use, because of course we all know that using the same style of music or even just the same artist or the same YouTube channel or the same source is just becoming a little bit boring after so many years. So that's why it's really nice to upgrade. So let me show you guys exactly what Artlist is right after the intro. Alright guys, so as you can see right now we are on artlist.io. The link is also down in the description. So it says get royalty-free music and sound effects for your videos. Start creating amazing videos with unlimited music and sound effects. This is of course a really cool source for music and sound effects. So right here we have the main page, and also you can see at the bottom who they worked with. Trusted by Nike, Netflix, Google, Mercedes, Adobe, IKEA, Cola. So that's very nice that you can also see like, alright, they're working also with really big brands. So this can also be used for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Vimeo, Twitch, commercials, broadcast, websites, weddings, games, applications, podcasts, presentations, film festivals and cinema, worldwide coverage, any future platform. So that basically means that there is literally no limit. So right now what we're going to do is we're going to click on start free now. Now that we are logged in, as you can notice right here, this is kind of like the dashboard where you land on, where you can browse through all the tracks. So of course at the top it says the music tab. So you have all kinds of genres such as mood, video theme, the genre or the instrument. So you have all kinds of like themes as well. So let's click on genre. So let's say that we want to have something very cinematic for our video. Right here we can click on cinematic, and you have all kinds of options you can choose from. Let's say we're going to pick this one called Seasons. As you can hear, that looks very nice. It's kind of like trailer style music, and that's very cool that you can just get all these songs, and how you can actually save a lot of money. Because actually at the beginning of this year I wanted to license 30 seconds of one song, and that's going to cost me $1,000 a year. You got to imagine that if you want to keep using that song, for example, because I reached out to the label and I said like I want to use 30 seconds of this band song, and that's what they actually said. It's not even 1,000 just once, which is already a huge chunk of money for just 30 seconds, but then once every year. So if you calculate how much that is after just using that song for a couple of years, it's crazy how expensive licensing songs can get. So this is the perfect solution. Very nice. So we have also the sound effects tab, which is of course like if you want to edit, for example, a short movie, you have whooshes and transitions, elements of nature, transportation, science fiction. So let's click on whooshes and transitions. So let's say that we're gonna have short whooshes, let's say for or transitions for our videos. As you notice, very cinematic. That's how you can time it also into your timeline. So that's just a really nice source how you can get all your sound effects, your music and all that, because it can get really expensive if you want to license songs, let's say 30 seconds or 45 seconds or even less than that. And also just if you want to use music on YouTube that's free, we're all gonna be honest, we're not gonna deny that YouTube's audio library isn't the best of the best, but what would you expect for something from YouTube that's free? So of course that's just something that we can also just swap out with Artlist. The link is down in the description as well. So this is also very important how I saved over $5,000 per year. If you're going to license one song for $1,000, let's say that you want to license multiple songs, that's going to add up even a lot more. All right, so let's say that we found this stereo whoosh. So if you want to go ahead and download it, right here on the very right, we have this download button, and also this icon right here that says add to collection. So let's say that you want to make certain files or like folders for projects. Let's say that you have a short movie and that you found a lot of tracks that you want to include into a folder. That's where you can also create folders right here. So let's click on there and let's show you how that works. So let's say that we're going to call this one short film. Now we also have our short film folder. So anytime we see a nice sound effect or a track, you can just click right here on this folder icon. We can just add it into our short film folder, and that's very nice. But if you want to direct download, you can just click on here, and then it's going to straight ask you, do you want to have it in AAC or in a WAV form? I'm going to click on WAV, and then it's going to just straightly take me to the download, and then I can import it into my project. It is very awesome, guys. This is not going to be a really long video. This is just so straightforward. Go and sign up, create your account, get your awesome plan, and just don't have to worry also about licensing, because if you have a certain license for a song, you also have to double check like, oh, can I also use this on different platforms? If it's going to be aired on TV, do I need a separate license for that, and how much is that going to be? You know, this is all just in one single, you know, coverage that you can use it on all platforms, no matter if it's for a commercial or on YouTube, anywhere you like. So it's really, really awesome. So if you click on OK right now, it's going to straight save it to my downloads. We also have footage right here. So for audio, we have Artlist, but we also have Artgrid for stock footage, which is basically the exact same concept. Let's say that you're editing an ad for something, but you don't have really, you know, the time or even the budget to create a really nice scene somewhere around your house yourself. You need to find a stock clip of something. That's just really, really simple how you can do it. So you can scroll down and see what kind of clips that they have. It's very, very nice if you want to create a trailer for your short film and you just want to use some stock footage to really hype up the people that are watching the trailer. You can go and also browse through. We have the video themes as well. We have the abstract, we have art, we have education, we have fashion, food, home, all of these things also nicely in categories. So that's very, very cool if you want to use all of these clips as stock footage in your videos as well. So one of the benefits is that there are no hidden fees and you can get as many songs that you want for a flat fee. Typical low quality generic music, think of, for example, like elevator music, kind of with like this lo-fi filter on it. We have also mass produced songs, so there is literally no limit. They are usually also sold per song basis, let's say between $20 and $350 per song, but that's not the case right here. We also have stock companies to get the rights to the song produced. We have high quality music, can also be sold per song or subscription depending on what you like. Because everything in the catalog is recorded, mixed and mastered for the highest possible audio quality, Artlist is a community of artists around the world who put their heart and soul into the music, just as you put your heart into your video productions. Whether it's the latest indie pop sound or a hit TV show style, and that's just one of the huge benefits, that there are unlimited downloads of songs. We have one worldwide license. There's new quality music added every single day as well, and also easy and simple to find high quality music that fits exactly what you need. If you want to get a little bit more info about this website, or actually both sites, Artlist and Artgrid. Artgrid is more about stock footage, you know, visually, and Artlist for the music. You can also check out the link down below. It is really, really cool, and this is basically how I save over $5,000 a month on, you know, licensing and music as well. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for your continued support. Make sure to check out the link down in the description to get started, get your awesome music, and also thanks to Artlist for sponsoring this video. I really, really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and I'll see you of course in the next video.